G'day, it's Edwin at Carver Cabinetry, and today we're going to show you a sweet trick for cleaning anything stainless steel. Take a damp, well wrung out cloth and wipe down your fridge. Today we're going to wipe down 1/2 of the fridge. Make sure your cloth is well wrung out.
Barkeeper's Friend can be used on any of your stainless steel appliances, including your fridge, stove, range hood, and oven.
Next, you want to apply Barkeeper's Friend to the damp cloth. Wipe down your fridge in a circular motion. Be sure to get the handles and the face. Once you're confident your entire fridge has been wiped down, follow it up by wiping it down with a dry rag. Try to wipe in the direction of the stainless. Apply ample pressure. Look at the difference.